Hey man, how's it going?
Hey, good, brother. Just here to demolish your wife.
Demolish. jokes. I get look, we're ready to talk about somebody's wife, but all right. Anyway, yeah, if you want to go ahead and do your thing, get comfortable. We can go ahead and get this thing started. So, do your thing and just let me know when you're ready. All right?
Will do, my good brother.
Lena, did you just drop something? Oh! What? That can't be one of God's. Tell me, that thump I just heard was not your penis hitting the ground. Please tell me.
Yeah, brother. They call him Thanos.
Thanos! Oh. No. Lena, on second thought, I don't think this is a good idea. Like, honestly, this is like a work environment, and this is that thing is violating OSHA standards. Like, for your safety, we really should not do this.
Adam, relax. I prepared for this. I got this, baby.
Help you prepare for that.
You ready, big guy? I'm good to go, sweetie. Let's do it.
Okay, we'll do it. We will do it. All right. Ready? Action.
Oh, it's like a baby's arm.
A baby's arm. Lena, we have a child together. Don't refer to it as a baby's arm.
Oh my god.
Oh,
you like
God.
a pro, girl.
Oh,
Adam, get the angles. Get the angles. Oh, Jesus!
Stop! Please stop!
Adam, it's time for the money shot. It's time for the money shot.
Please. No money shot. No.
Adam, it's just business. It's just the money.
Okay,
the money.
Okay. When you're ready. 3, 2.
Oh my.
See.
Oh my god. That was the best moment of my life. Oh, you are a superstar, honey.
Jason, it was a pleasure doing business with you, Mr. Love.
Oh yeah, man. For 10K? Oh, that's light work. But me personally, I'd never let another man, especially one of my, beat down my wife like the Russian did Creed back in the day. But anyway, Adam, have a great day. Oh, and you got something on your face.